Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, what a great day. Top stories, all right? It's John. I'm on my news desk and prop trading desk today. Huge pump in Bitcoin and my cryptocurrency mining rig that I invented. It's a synthetic process. It's just pumping huge profits in it. So we'll talk about that in a moment. Do me a favor, give my videos a like and a share. And let's get the word out and share the video. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. So today's Friday, November 29th, 2024. A lot of exciting news. We'll go over geopolitical first. Okay, CNN, Notre Dame was closed for nearly 6 years. Today we get a glimpse inside, so they're rebuilding Notre Dame. AP, Associated Press, Ukrainian energy workers carry out repairs despite Russia's pounding. Amazing. The Guardian, Syrian rebels enter Aleppo 3 days into surprise offensive. So, man, Mexico president says she is confident with tariff wars and all this. And Reuters is reporting Australia is under, okay, let's see. All right, so let's talk about, okay, what's going on here with Bitcoin. Just a quick video too here. So let's see. S&P futures are up. Looks like a new high possibly for the S&P. Oil's up at 69.47. The VIX is off 4%. Not much volatility. Gold, at 26.77, up about 12 points. All right, looking for a breakout on new high for gold above 2,700, I believe. S&P 500 posts new record high in holiday shortened trading session. So I purchased a breakout today in the S&P 500, all-time highs, never too high to buy. Stock market today, stocks open higher as Wall Street closes out strong November. Retailers bank on Black Friday to energize hungry holiday shoppers. And China's aging population fuels silver economy boom, but profits can prove elusive. So Tesla, news on Tesla and Elon Musk, and reason to look forward tomorrow. And let's see, Elon Musk is in the news, a lot of news there. So let's look at the market overview. All right, real quick. S&P 500 up, the minis up 29 points, NASDAQ 100 up 143 points, Dow futures up 183, the VIX at 14.87, the Dixie US dollar at 105.925, the 10-year 111-020, crude oil up at 69.46, nat gas up at 3.29, gold up 13 points at 26.78, silver 31.10. Okay, stock market leaders. I own stock shares and all this, not financial advice. I'm an entertainer. NVIDIA, Tesla, MicroStrategy, Microsoft, Apple Computer, Amazon, Supermicro Computer, Coinbase, Mara Holdings is up huge. I'm a stockholder in Mara Holdings and Meta Platforms. So the blockchain ETFs that I've mentioned that are part of my synthetic Bitcoin mining rig are pumping huge profits and such. So let's see, let's look at Yahoo Finance, see what's going on there. So, all right, why Wall Street is betting on slower Fed rate cuts in 2025. NASDAQ leads stock higher with most monthly wins. Macy's, Kohl's turnaround in Dow as holiday shopping shifts. So let's see here. Trump just laid down his first tariff marker. So TSMC's offered a job to top NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA and Intel news. Intel's up. Big banks head for worst macro year since pandemic. All right, Musk, the wild card in Trump's dealings with China. Black Friday news, Disney's doubling down on cruises. Colombia, 12-month inflation through November seen at 5%. SunFed recalls cucumbers in U.S. and Canada due to potential salmonella. So Telefonica, Volkswagen brushes off unions cost. EV maker Lion Electric nears creditor deadline as cash dwindles. Bank of Russia says no emergency steps needed to stabilize a ruble. So a lot of news, let's take a look here. Investors eye Black Friday shopping. Bitcoin is shortened in shortened trading session. Bitcoin's pumping. Top losers here, man, most active. Look at the gainers. SoundHound, BitDeer Technology, Archer Aviation, Symbiotic, and Joby Aviation. They're up big. SoundHound. So amazing stories there. Let's look at my trading plan real quick. So Bitcoin, I'll dollar cost average it today. I sold some Bitcoin on the pump at S1, S2, and S3 on the breakout. So I sold 2 tranches of Bitcoin at 97,418, and then 3 tranches of Bitcoin at 98,165 on the pump. So I'll continue to dollar cost average Bitcoin today, but I am selling some at the resistance, taking some profit. SPY ETF, buying the breakout. Man, S&P 500, I purchased it today at its all-time high. Last purchase was at 601.17, 601.58, and now it's at 602, so I'm going to purchase it live here on camera. And I will purchase the market again. SPY is never too high to buy on the breakout. So just purchased some SPY ETF, not financial advice, at 601.97. So three purchases today, all at higher high prices. Continue to DCA SPY every day. BTCUSD, my blockchain ETFs are pumping huge. Run a little longer today. So let's see, BTCUSD up 6%, near a new all-time high for the year. Block breaks out, if I'm not mistaken, to a new high. So I purchased the breakout. Amazing stocks inside of here. Look at Mara Holdings, Coinbase, Core Scientific, Riot Platforms, Hut 8, CleanSpark, Galaxy Digital Holdings, Applied Digital, Iris Energy, and Cipher Mining. They're about 75% of the holdings inside of the blockchain ETF, BTCUSD. So let's take a look at these stocks. Mara Holdings, for example, how's it doing today? Oh man, Mara Holdings is up huge, like up 10%. I own stock shares in it. Coinbase, how's Coinbase doing today? Coinbase is pumping, doing great. The stock was up as much as like 1.5% today. Coinbase, Core Scientific, let's see here. Core Scientific up nicely this morning, about 4% open. Man, Riot Platforms are having riots, I guess, in Castle Rock, Colorado. Riot Platform was up as much as about 8% this morning. So Riot Platforms, Hut 8, like NFL, Hut. So had a great Thanksgiving, up 6%. Hut 8, clears $30 a share on a breakout. CleanSpark, again, CleanSpark is pumping up this morning as much as like 9%, above $15 a share. Galaxy Digital Holdings, Applied Digital, doing wonderful. I mean, Applied Digital is up about 10% today, clears $10 a share. Iris Energy, up, unreal pump on Iris Energy at clears $13 a share, up just over 10%. So these are the stock shares that I own in the my digital asset mining rig that I run. That's 100% cloud-based. I'm going to be producing a new ebook on such soon. So Cipher Mining, CIFR, up 12% today. So 100% cloud-based mining rig that I run that combines the dollar cost average every day of Bitcoin and then the dollar cost averaging once a week in the blockchain ETF. So I maintain a 7-to-1 ratio. So it's just incredible. The foundation of my mining rig is up 670, about 9% today. So, man, incredible. Sold some Bitcoin on the Momo swing, looking to purchase. I set my pivot points on Bitcoin. Jesse Livermore said it best, whenever I had the patience, I'm quoting the air quotes, to wait for the pivot points. I always made money in my operations. So I always purchase Bitcoin on the demand zones, S1, S2, and S3, and was able to this last week purchase some Bitcoin on the pivot points as low as about, the low for the week was about 91,000. So I was in there just over 91,000 for the low, and I sold some Bitcoin today above 98,000. So this is a 7,000 point Momo swing trade just in the last week alone for Bitcoin. So I'll continue to set my pivot points. Do we get a pullback, or we can have the big breakout? Is Bitcoin going to pump, above 100,000 and go to 150,000? It could. Do we have price discovery? It looks like we could have it soon enough. It's only a few thousand points away from such. So that's what I have. Time to go out and do some shopping, and get some new appliances today. I'm excited about such. Had such a great trading year and everything. And so with that, everyone, it's John. I'm on my news desk and prop trading desk. And let the trend be your friend. Always trade in the direction of the trend. And have a super awesome, great holiday. Thanks.